Double Diamond Railroad back, running trains, just more proof of work running right now for the changes and mods I made. Test out these, take shots from all around the layout. Gonna try to get two going here at once. Taking up step 12, it's about 17 miles an hour. Bring it back to 10 for the crossing for the diamond. Back up to 12. I think we're going to trim that top of that hill down a bit so we can see more of the train back there. It's a view blocker for me as an operator. Kind of good as a scenery divider, but I might take 2 layers of foam off the top. Take it on up to 14. That used to be a rec zone back there in the back where that remote switch is. Did a bunch of mods on it, power-wise and filing, and it seems to behave now, even though it's still got some damage. I'll slow it down so I can reset the camera. Here. The dangerous spot. Right where the switch throw is in between the 2 alligator clips. We're on speed step 10. Going up to 12. We have stopper, got a train up here, I have to move him. Okay, so the intermodal definitely running faster than the grain. I'm gonna have to speed sync them again. I had to put the grain on 18 to outrun the intermodal at 12. There's a nice meat, but I missed it on camera. So here comes our bad switch. Take him up to 10. Here's somebody off. Sound like one of the grain cars or engines. Don't see it. I'd be hearing things. Up on speed step 14 on the intermodal. The grain train is about to go through the diamond. Let's slow the intermodal down because he's catching up too much. There's a new project, speed check the twin SD70 Aces. Okay, we'll slow him down and focus on the grain now. He's on speed step 18. Pretty good. Take him up to 20, which is about 32 miles an hour, at least. We're rolling if we can keep it going through this next switch. I found out what's going on this switch over here. I'm gonna slow down while I move the camera. Okay, I found out what's going on this switch. The point rail that's closest to us, close to the throw arm, it's got an issue. It's loose on the mount. I'm gonna try to tighten down the clip, pivot clip, but it's flopping around right to left at the top. So it was leaning out and seemed it was catching the wheels when they came through. I started filing it. That's how I found it. Seemed like it's catching the wheels that he tried to go between it. Wasn't enough room. So I hope I can do something about it. Its switch isn't that old. I put it in the fall with the new throw. Okay, we're doing 16. Speed step, that's 20. Intermodal is still catching up. He's back at the diamond. Turn some flange squeal on because he's on the curve. They're pretty much equal speed now, even though they are on different settings. This guy's the one that's speed synced right. The grain train is. Take him up to 18, which is about 25 miles an hour. Crossing. Take him. Oh, some little piece of dirt. Take him up to 20. Good deal. Slow him down while I move the camera. Okay, we'll see if we can get through this bad switch. That's the first thing I'm going to do in about 2 weeks. Maybe a week and a half. I'll start on it. I'm going to have to order in some more. We're doing 20, speed step 20, very risky. When we hit the hopper cars. See them wiggle. They're going down in that frog and come back up out. I bet you these are 33-inch wheels, they're not 36. That would be helpful. Well, all the little trick switching cars worked. And weighting those white hopper cars to the proper 1.20 weight. Take it on up 24. We can race through there. Well, here he comes out the other end. You can go through that back there. My tripod stopped. That was a sure derail before. Up speed step 24, that's about 42 miles an hour. That will go to 28, top of the range. That's 50 miles an hour, which I think is faster. It looks like it's going faster again. It's more like 55. I have to recheck all these. You see, I got the engine house out so I can see this back here. So I can see that switch better. A little hesitation on that switch up here, the bad old switch. Original. It's about 1996 up here, and they're some crap brand. Eventually I'm just going to have to, all these mainline ones are going to have to be replaced. The Picos. Oh, we got a car off, and he's going slow, I see it. Let's save him right here. Yep, stack train, they need more weight. So we're going to try to do that tomorrow too. Cut them open and put weight in a bottom container. It's this guy right there, jumped off on the switch where we were watching. Okay, I'm going to wrap it up there. Got other things going on today. Getting toward lunchtime. Take care. God bless. Have a great week coming up. We got more projects to do tomorrow on the bench. For sure. Waiting. Speed checks here on the layout again. And I'll try to put that decoder board and speaker in the scale trains. BNSF I got. ES44C4. Take care. God bless. Have a great week. Double Diamond Railroad out.